Welcome to my kitchen. If your mornings are as busy as mine, these are perfect because you can just put them in the refrigerator at night, grab them in the morning, and head out to wherever you have to go. So the base of an overnight protein oats is obviously oatmeal. I like to start with old-fashioned oats. You can use any kind of oat that you would like. However, I find the old-fashions stand up a little bit better, whereas the minute oats get a little bit mushier when you have them soak overnight. And I use these little cute mason jars that are just kind of adorable and super simple. So the 16-ounce version is the one that I have. I've tried 8. I like to have more oats than that. So 16 ounces work well. So for our base, we're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of the old-fashioned oats. And I've got my 1/4 cup here. It's just a little easier to get the oatmeal into the mason jar. Okay, so I've got my oats in. From here, I'm gonna start layering the ingredients on. And the next ingredient is my chia seeds. So chia seeds, these are pretty cool because as they soak up the liquid overnight, they turn into this almost like pudding-like texture, which is really tasty. So my overnight oats, I like to do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. There we go. All right. So, and it's kind of cool how, like in the mason jar, you can start to see the layers coming. From here, I'm gonna start adding in my protein. Now, I love collagen peptides. So I'm gonna add a scoop of my collagen peptides. And the cool thing about collagen peptides, go with the unflavored. They are going to just add the protein without any different extra flavors. And I also have my vanilla protein powder that of course is my super favorite. And this gives it that nice little bit of extra sweetness. And for this recipe, I like to do 1/2 scoop of the protein powder and layer that in. And let's see, switch these over. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add a little bit of the Truvia. I like the brown sugar one. It just has this really rich taste. So a 1/2 teaspoon is plenty for that. And I also like to put in a little bit of vanilla. So 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract also makes it really tasty. And pop that in. Okay. So I've got the base of my overnight oats. And from here, you're gonna add the liquid. So you can use water if you'd like. You could use milk. Unsweetened almond milk is one of my favorites. And the almond coconut blend is really good. What's cool is it's only 30 calories. So make sure you're not getting the ones that are super high in sugar. This is all you need. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a cup here. Let's check and see. So that's a 1/4 cup. Yeah, I'm gonna need a full cup on this. And what's amazing is as these sit overnight in the refrigerator, or really, if you're impatient like me and you just really wanna have them as a snack, which I do all the time, you can, 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator is all they need to set up. So from here, I'm gonna grab my spoon. So I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna blend everything together, which is really important when you're including protein powder in your overnight oats, because you wanna make sure everything gets thoroughly mixed. And you can kind of see those chia seeds are already kind of plumping up. It's gonna make this really awesome rich. So right now it's pretty thin. So the 1 cup of almond milk is actually the right amount, but it is a little bit thin as you start. But that's the beauty of these. Okay, so I did cheat and I made some last night so that I could show you this morning. So here's the ones we're gonna take, pop these in my fridge. And check this out. So in the morning they come out all amazing, super thick. Grab my spoon. These are super thick and yummy. Mix them up. You can grab and go and take them with you. And I can't even tell you, these taste, oh my gosh, I wish you could come taste these with me. These are so good. Okay, so this is a great, super easy recipe. Your kids are gonna love it. Your husband's gonna love it. Give it a try. And from here, you can throw in all kinds of ingredients of things that you enjoy for your overnight oats. Oh, before you go, I wanna share with you the nutritional breakdown on my overnight protein oats, the recipe that I just made. So this whole recipe contains about 400 calories with 29 grams of high quality protein. There's about 40 complex carbs with 9 to 10 grams of fiber and about 13 grams of healthy fats.